Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read essay Visit to a Park. Let's get started. One sunny day, my family and I went to a park. A pleasant breeze and the singing sounds of birds filled me with happiness and hope. We played on the playground, had a picnic, and even flew kites. My siblings and I laughed, and I ran around chasing one another and playing games. My parents watched us with smiles on their faces, enjoying the simple pleasures of spending time together as a family. We even made some new friends at the park. It was a group of children who was playing with their own kites. We all joined and had a friendly kite flying competition. It was so great fun. As the day came to an end, we packed our luggage and headed for home. But the memories of that special day at the park stayed with me, filling me with happiness. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.